I've just yesterday, well a couple of weeks ago, become a sport worker from a volunteer, and it's really good. It gives you all sorts of experience, whether it's day outs like this or play schemes or away weekends. They're all really good, and it's brilliant towards my childcare course I'm doing, which is really good. So that's a big plus, and you get to meet people like Makosi here, which is awesome.
It's a great opportunity to get to know people, and it's fun, and I've always liked this job.
What is the best thing about your job?
Best thing about the job, without doubt, is that you're not stuck in an office behind a desk all day. You're out and about, playing with the kids, having a great time, doing loads of different things. For me personally, it's probably the best job you could do, really. I wish I could do it all year, you know, especially on days like today when it's beautiful and sunny. Just out having fun with the kids, really.
To be honest, to start with, it was a great opportunity to put something on my CV, but when you start working with the kids, it's just addictive, and you just love the work so much and you do it again and again.
You think you can go and find some pine cones for the squirrel?
We're just setting out clues for a treasure hunt, so they're somewhere on the path now, and they're on their way here to find the treasure after the beaver gives them the clue.
Keep going round past some more otters and look out for your final clue near the jetty. Okay?
I just love being with the kids, and it's different every day. It's never boring, and they just have such a great time. It's just brilliant to see, and it's so much fun. Charlotte, do you want to come see the treasure? Yeah? Yeah?
When I was in school, I became a volunteer. Someone came in and asked if we'd want to volunteer, so I did it. And I didn't know that such schemes, you know, were being run. And I just had a great time. I decided to come back then as a staff member when I was old enough. Woo! Bubbles! Oh, I want a sticker. You know, you can see every day when they go home how much fun they've had, and you know, they're sad to end the scheme, and it's just such a great idea, because their siblings get to come as well, and it gives the parents a rest then. You know, it's just a brilliantly run scheme.